Studio 7 is very much balanced in terms of reportage. Is very much clear in terms of trying to get facts. Nxa sikuma-debate thina njengabantu esihlala siba khona kuma-platforms, you are not biased to one person. And even kwamanye ama-countries, siyayizwa nje i-Voice of America ngamanye ama-locals. Kodwa thina sesikhulumela i-Studio 7. I think even emakhaya ungahambe eCholotsho, uhambe eLokhuzeni, eSiphezini, ngaphi bonke abantu bakhuluma kahle nge-Studio 7. Even lama-politicians, anzake ngizwa ama-politicians amaningi, even aku-government, ZANU-PF, MDC, be-attack i-Studio 7 as i-platform favor a particular uhlangothi lwabantu. Mbona ngani you are very balanced.
Yes, yabonga kakhulu. Kodwa nxa ukhangela ke ubona ngani kuyini esingani siyakutshiya phandle obona ukuthi singakufaka ku-programming yethu la?
I think kungaba nje kuyikuthi perhaps what we need to see more ukuthi sibone omama abaningi besiba more involved in terms of expressing ama difficulties akhona nje kuma communities labancane ngoba i-youth i-Africa incane, iZimbabwe incane. We want to see more younger people, and even labantu abaku-politics singaboni kakhulu abantu abavela kuma-political parties amakhulu ngoba iZimbabwe lama-political parties amaningi kakhulu ukuthi you find ukuthi if you go deeper you will get even a more diversified view of Zimbabwe than to speak to ama-political parties okuthiwa yiwo amakhulu, i-ZANU-PF le-MDC. Thina sifuna ukubona more engagement with other stakeholders, including ama-civic organization, ikakhulu ama-organization abomama, labantu abangasebenziyo, and so on, labogogo, and so on.